Hola amigos, this is Jackson and this is Dad behind the camera, and we have started a new YouTube channel. We've made a lot of YouTube channels. We've made our Dan Jacko one, I've got one separate, Dad's got one separate, and we want to make a new one. So today we're going to be making some fajitas, crispy chicken fajitas, and I guess let's get started. So what you need is you need some pepper, which any colour you want, lettuce, we've got some cheese in here, we obviously need fajitas, crispy chicken stuff and chicken. So we have put in here some, what is it?
Some olive oil.
Olive oil.
Yep, so about a teaspoon of olive oil.
Put in the oven, so around 170 degrees. And I guess, let's get started. So first of all, you've got to wash your hands. So I'm going to go here, there's the soap. I'm going to wash my hands before I get on with anything.
Good boy, Jack. Hiding behind the flowers there.
I'll rub them, make sure they're nice and clean because obviously we don't want our chicken being dirty. And then now we are going to put the chicken into the olive oil in the bag and we're going to shake it up. We're also going to have some of this.
So what type of bag's that? Is that just a normal sandwich bag, isn't it, Jackson?
A normal bag, whatever you want really.
Normal sandwich bag, isn't it? Yeah.
So we're going to lay them in there. Nice. Doesn't have to be
because they're going to get mixed around anyway, aren't they, Jacko?
It doesn't have to be all nice and neat. No one's going to see that. So just going to put all of it in. Doesn't matter, we haven't done anything to this chicken. It's already cut up.
So we buy, that's chicken fillets, isn't it, Jackson?
Yep. Nicely made from Aldi.
Good bit of advertising there. Aldi, our #1 sponsors.
Alright, so now we got all our chicken in here, no more in here.
So what do we do with that? Where do we put that?
In the bin.
Okay. Okay. Good boy, well done, Jacko.
And then we're going to put... Should we put all of this in?
Yep. Sprinkle then. Sprinkle all it in. Okay, that's it. A good sprinkling there, Jacko.
Get over there.
That's okay.
We
pop that in there.
Chicken
And then that's it. That's it.
Close this bag up.
Give it a good old shake. Mix it around. That's it. That's the fun bit. So this is really easy to do. You can do this on your own if you're old enough, or with your mum, dad, or an adult helper.
This is just learning, and then maybe when you're older, go around your parents' house, or you invite them around, say, "Oh, hi mum, hi dad, do you want to come round for a little tea?" And you can make them a nice meal. This is only our first video. We've got many to come. We're thinking of uploading maybe once or twice a week. So every Monday, people in England. So
how's that looking, Jacko? Is that good?
Got some down at the bottom.
So give it a good old mix. Give it a good old shake. Give it a good old shake. And you notice there we've used we've used a white chopping board. That's just for our chicken, yeah? So what we'll do in a minute, we'll change our chopping board. So while our chicken is cooking in the oven, we're going to show you how to cut some vegetables and how to safely prepare the vegetables. Aren't you, Jack?
Yep, and I think our chicken is done.
Okay, well let's just have a little peek at that. So
Yep.
do you want to open that bag, Jack? Open that bag up and have a look. Is it mixed around nicely?
Look good, guys.
So what you can do, if you pick them out, maybe try and give it a good old bit more of a shake, and maybe you can mix it around a bit. Take a bit out, and if you need some more breadcrumbs in it, just press some. Is that good? Is that nice and covered?
I think.
Yep. So lay it nicely on here. That looks good. Well done.
Lovely.
So we'll line it neatly on our tray here.
This is where you have to be neat. But once again, no one will see this.
Just move it closer to there, Jack. Move move that closer. That's it, perfect.
It's a bit easier to carry over. Get another bit there.
Jack.
Alright, so we have put our chicken in the oven and we are going to close that up so we keep all the heat in there. we're going to set the timer for how long do we want it, Dad? 15 minutes, okay guys?
And then we'll check our chicken to make sure it's cooked.
So we're going to start that's on. And we are going to wash this up, or we're going to put it in there. And we are going to wash our hands again, because we need our hands to be clean. If they're not clean, once again, because we've just been playing with chicken. Chicken could have been dirty.
Well, chicken's dangerous, isn't it, Jackson? Because you can get salmonella from chicken, can't you? So we make sure we wash our hands all the time. Okay, so wash the hands. Towel's just behind you, buddy.
Ooh.
And we've got a brand new clean chopping board. Okay, and now Jacko is going to show you how to cut a few vegetables.
So first of all, we are going to cut the lettuce.
Okay, we've got a little bit pre-cut lettuce there. You've done earlier, haven't you, Jackson?
Yep.
What kind of cut have you done to that?
Just shoelace. Oh.
You've done a julienne, haven't you, Jack?
Yes.
A julienne of lettuce.
Forget stuff sometimes, guys.
Mm-hmm.
So what we're going to do is we're going to take the middle of it out, just so it's easier to cut. And we're going to do it at your own pace. Just cut it up like that.
Nice cutting.
So it's all split up.
Especially when we're cutting, we need to make sure our fingers stay out of the way, don't we, guys? Yeah.
It's all cut, and then we put it into there nicely, and then alright. We're going to do this part, and then actually, Dad, do you want to do this part?
Okay. Shall I show you how to do it then?
Okay.
Let's swap over then.
Lovely jubbly.
Okay, right, so hands on it nicely, and what we do is just cut nicely. Fingers, you use your fingers as a dial, yeah? So you don't cut them. So you don't put your fingers like this because you'll cut them. So use them as a guide. Nice and slowly, don't have to go too quick. Okay, there we have some julienne of lettuce, almost as good as Jackson's. Okay, now Jackson is going to show you how to do a pepper. Or would you like to me to do the pepper, Jack?
I think I've had a bit too much. I think you should have another go.
We'll just wash our knife up a little bit. Then you have to rinse the knife, you don't have to wash it properly. So right, cutting a pepper, nice firm base. Okay, so cut a pepper in half. You can do these two different ways. You can cut it down the middle and then
be careful with that, so you don't cut off your...
Cut your seeds and the white bit. Why do we take the seeds and the white bit out, Jacko? Can you remember?
It's because it's... I think I remember, it's because it's bitter.
Yeah, it doesn't taste very nice, does it? Okay, so we pop that in there with those other ones, which we prepared earlier. Okay. Right, and if you're not confident with a knife, you can prepare a pepper a different way as well. You can just tear that middle bit open, okay? Okay, and then cut it in half, and then just guide it around there a little bit. Okay, maybe this might be a good point to get your adult helper in as well, just in case, yeah? But it's always good to practice. Just do it nice and slowly, don't have to rush. Do it as quick or as slow as you feel comfortable at.
And ask your parents before you do it.
Okay.
So if your parents aren't here, or they're not looking at you, so they're upstairs doing something, and you cut yourself and you're badly injured, it's going to be bad. Your parents won't be there.
So there we have all our ingredients. And pause it for a minute, Nadia.
Okay guys, so our chicken is cooked, so we're just going to put on our wrap that is in here.
How long's that going in for, Jack?
That is going in there for 30 seconds.
Perfect.
So now while that's going, we're just going to put our chicken, just scoop it up and put it in here. Like so. Nicely, remember, don't use your hands. But if you do use your hands...
Well, it's hot, isn't it? So you might burn yourself.
It's hot. 2, remember to wash your hands all. That's close. And it's ready now. I'll run over this. Now we have got our fajita. We need a plate. We're going to plate quite quickly.
Now you take your wrap out.
Yep.
Pop it on the plate.
Nice and hot. And then we're going to put, what I'm going to get a fork for this. I'm going to get 2 of these to fill up my wrap. And that's two.
They look nice. It's making me hungry, Jack.
Yeah, I know. Okay. And then we are going to go over to the table where it's all nice and lovely and set up. Do this for your mum and dad if you'd like. And we are going to, what I would like everything in my wrap. So I'm going to put bits of lettuce, sprinkle it on there nicely. Pepper. Oh, might as well put that on there. And then we're going to add some cheese.
You going to put any?
I'm also going to put a few sauces on it. Well, ketchup.
Ah, that's nice. Lovely.
And then we will fold it. And there, everybody, is a wrap. Adios, amigos.